Hello guys, for today's vlog, maglalaro tayo ng Grow Garden. So ayan na, nagsistart na siya. Oh my god, what's happening? Ito yung soccer ball. Ano to? Nag-stuck yung asan yung master sprinkler, be? Asan yung master?
Mag-gear shift ka kasi ba din?
Asan? Sugar Ali has gotten... Uy! Oh my... Ay!
Mag-defying yan yung tanga ka.
Oh no! Hindi ako nakabili, guys.
Wala, hindi niya pa pinipindot to.
Hindi ako guys nakabili, guys.
Ayun o.
Sana ito, mag-ano to? Sana mag-ano to level up? 6 times 6? Wow, grab. Sana yung recall wrench. Kasi yung bagyo to. Oh my god, guys. Mas perfect!
Diyan ka na, huwag ka na umalis.
Tignan muna natin kung ano yung ano. Okay. Coconut. Pero coconut to si Jandel, ah. Ayan, oh. Jandel. Dragon fruit because they look mean. Ano?
Ano naman ako hindi makalaro?
What about you? Because they're mine and pero sila dito nag-ano. Sometimes I wish I could eat the veggies in a grow garden. Same. Woo! Naglalaban sila, guys. Naglalaban sila. Bakit? Sigarapan kanina. Lagi ako nakakabot. Ito na lang tayo, guys. You wanna see something electric? Layo tayo, guys. Layo tayo. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda naman ng update. Bakit? Ano yung ano? Nakabili na ako niyan. Kasi ano eh. Giant pound spice! Ay, paano pa? Oh my god, guys! Ay, sila ako. Naglalaban sila. Ako to. Good guys. Ano to? Sorry guys. Look at guys. Grabe. Grabe sila here. Aura. I don't know if these gardeners are ready for that. 15 minutes na lang guys. If you have the link with the video and voice for you. Best strawberry, worst bananas. How about you, Jandel? Avocado. I see. Mayroong avocado guys. Wait, I think I messed up the question. What was your first touchdown like? Unforgettable. Thinking to run back when it's back service. Hoy! Abusive. Stuck. Great. Let me get some grape. Hindi ako guys Jana, what food are you think of right now and why? A yummy quinoa. I don't know why I'm thinking about that though. What about you? Blueberries. Thinking of adding some more to my garden. Blueberries! Di pa ako nakatikim ng guys. I feel having a Saudi co-host is a fever dream. Can you tell me how you found out about that? Grow a garden. Heard so many people were crazy. Have to check it out. Travis Kelce. Nagpapakita namin. You guys ready for fight? Like the podcast? Soccer ball! Soccer ball tayo guys! Oh my god! Ano sila guys? Oh, Ember Lily! Mango seed! Grabe talaga si mag-stock. Grabe talaga. Bakit ko naman gabi? Oh, nawala sila! Ayun! Grabe talaga to. Daming crowd dito. Ayun na guys, malapit na guys. Malapit na. Wala na nag-dance na. Stealing my thunder. What? Ano kaya to, guys? Ay, kumakalat siya, guys. Found ko. Ayun. Hindi ko. Yun lang yung mga nakakanin sa akin. Talaga. Hindi siya siya, guys. Right now, gumamit. Bakit naman kayo puro mango, be? Ang dami, ha? Grabe. Pengi ako kalambo. Oh, giant pineapple! Dami ko ng giant pineapple. Guys, ang dami ko na talagang giant pineapple. Strong trowel. Pushing back and then I touchdown. Wow! Oh, burning badilit! What is that? Sugar apple. This is very pagod ko, guys. Saka itong ano guys. Sobrang init. Kulo ko lang before I go cook up some chili. Ay, dito naman sa tabi. Basic sprinkle na. Basic. Wala ko yakong basic. Ay, ito light. Ay! Ay! Football! Okay, football ako dito. Ba't ako may football? Fruit. Dito natin siya guys lagay. Sa unahan. Dito. So 954. Loading. Matarin ko guys. Wala na kasi ako ng safety. Football! Para sa football guys. Ito ba yan? Ay! Pet! Pet siya! Kunin ko lang tong isa kong ano guys. Ay! Ito kasi already na. Yan na, wala nang maingay. Ano kaya nagagawa na football, guys? View. Legendary. Every runs to gear shop or seed shop, whichever is fired and goes touchdown, which awards.
Hindi niya naman nag-gets.
Pwede siya makakuha, guys, ng seed or mga watering can. Wow. Uy, may mutation ako dito. Same, lalaki na. Sugar apple ko. Ang laki! Ang laki! Ang laki!
Malaki naman talaga yan.
Hindi! Hindi yan ganyan.
Ganyan talaga yun.
My card! Oh! 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 Tiringkan mo, tiringkan. Wala na akong tiringkan. Do you guys wanna hear something? Yay! We cooked that in 1 week. I think it's going to plant in Berlin. Dito na lang. Saan ko na lang kaya ito guys sa dito. Yan. Recall wrench. Let's see. Kung anong ano. Binigyan tayo guys. Binigyan tayo ng ano. Nung ganun. Nung pet. Rensa! May pet ka? Yung football? Maganda yon. Mamaya. Ay, meron yun. Merong bag in stock. Kita yan. Siya ano? Wow, so romantic. Gawin ko ba? Saan may stock na yung favorite? Corrupt. Corrupt. Doubts. Ayun na may stock. Oh! Tiyo! Naglalakad tiyo. Ayun o. Naglalakad. Para siyang ano. What the can it? Favorite. May master sprinkler ka pa? May master sprinkler ka pa nga? Galing. Elder strawberry. Ah! Okay. Favorite natin ito. Ano sa ko favorite? Kasi madami rin ito.
Ano ka favorite? Tapos hindi na ako pukuha pa rin din.
Hindi. Parinsa! Lika! Punta ka sa garden ko. Punta ka sa garden ko. Oh. Nakakapagdagdag rin kasi ng pera. Halika! Saan ba yun? Halika! Halika! Renzo! Halika! Dito! Halika! So! Halika! Hoy! Halika nga! Bigyan. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and like my video. Follow for more exciting video like this. Bye-bye.